Minisita Amongi ibyo bigambiro mu kuvugana abeebembezi bari kuhika 300 okorwa mu district 35 za Burenge bw'izoba abeetabira omushomo gw'ekiro kimwe gutebeekanisibwe ekitongole kya NSSF ahari Lakeview Hotel muri Mbarara.
It is true that the board recommended to me based on section 39 and 40 of the NSSF Act as amended on the basis of their criteria to appoint Ayota Patrick as the managing director, which I obliged and did so.
Amongi ashabira abeebembezi aba okunga abantu n'ebitongoro mu byanga byabo babase kutandika kubika sente n'ekitongole kya NSSF agumize engweze neziza kubahwera mu myaka yabo y'abukuru.
And one of the core NRM NDP 3 vision and mission is to ensure socio-economic transformation. So when you say socio-economic, the social security falls within that broad mandate in the manifesto and NDP3.
Omukoro guhona gwetabirwe mu managing director w'ekitongole ekyohereze kutoranwa Patrick Ayota.
Low wages, the informal unemployment, cheating employers, and then the weak enforcement mechanism. As we had here, as the legislators were talking about the issues they face.
Babeebembezi abayetaba mu mushomogo bashaba barukuje ekitongole kya NSSF okutaho entebeekanisa era si emishomo nk'egyo mu bicweka bingi na munonga ha rurengo rwa za district.
Kuri nogira ngu nibaza omu districts aba National Social Security Fund bakabigambira ba leaders bona basigarayo bakabisharinga n'abantu abakubira nibenda ngu nabo baheya kasente bekundire bakabire babayamba kandi nabo bagire kibagira ikibayegase.
Abeebembezi abaho n'abarumwa b'ebyobutegeki n'abatari b'ebyobutegeki begesibwe bikwatirine na NSSF nuko bakubasa kuhera mu kongera hambaro gw'abantu abari kubika mu kitongole eki. Gashakwa Abdukali Musengendo.